healthcare system is really pushing out the technology to support the caregivers.
The organization has decided that we need to be as paperless as we can be in our clinical space.
Our overall interfacing strategy is being able to leverage a lot of what our existing infrastructure is built like today and have certain solutions to build out our footprint of where we want to go.
So we decided to go with the mobility monitors in our organization. We did look at some of the other vendors, and Philips came out on top for a couple of very important reasons.
The VS4s met the needs that our caregivers had.
It was more cost effective. Part of the solution for the integration with the VS4s was the utilization of the IntelliBridge Enterprise. We were able to leverage our current electronic medical record through the IBE. Philips was the only solution that we saw that allowed us to get more than some standard elements off the monitors other than blood pressure and temperature.
In general, I believe the SureSigns VS4 is a wonderful addition to our hospital.
It enables the clinician to walk into the patient room. They can then utilize the vital signs of VS4, take the scanner from the machine, scan the patient's wristband, validate that information, and then enter their password, which then basically logs them into the system. They then can take the vital signs information, and basically that information is then saved directly from the bedside, and it's posts right into our electronic medical record.
And the physicians are able to see it immediately, and your charting is completed at the bedside. It was very simple. The product itself is very self-explanatory. The way that it's laid out and the fact that it's touchscreen is easier to use. So you can look at whatever's on the screen, so you can go through and look at the trending for your patients.
The big advantage to being able to have that information available is to alert you if there's a change in that patient's condition.
It alerts you right away if there's something abnormal, and you can take immediate action.
In today's healthcare, it's all about being efficient, having a patient safety focus, being efficient, being able to spend time with your patient, and this is a nice solution.
Having it online in an electronic health record for everyone who needs it at the time they need it is hugely valuable, and I am very passionate about that because it's all about the care we can provide to our patients. When we implemented the VS4 monitors, we needed it in all of our hospitals.
We had a very aggressive rollout schedule, and we went into 31 hospitals within an 8-week time period and placed over 1,400 devices in all those hospitals.
What I like about working with Philips is they listen.
To be able to have a vendor like Philips that we can make requests to and they were able to turn it around in a very timely fashion is a huge, huge advantage in this day.
This solution obviously hits one out of the ballpark for what we need to take care of our patients in a better fashion. As we move forward with Philips in other areas, we already have a great infrastructure of the IntelliBridge, and we also will be able to utilize and leverage that as we start to go down the road of integrating more devices.
That is a huge win for the patients, which really is a part of our mission here at Adventist Health System, to extend that healing ministry of Christ by protecting our patients and giving them the best care that we possibly can.